Welcome, today in front of me VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just I set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast the switcher is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here correct. We just can unlock the device so fast, but just to unlock it, don't simply touch it. You should hold for a while the sensor to unlock it, because if you'll make it like by this way, you just have no chance to unlock the device. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method if you don't like, for example, passcodes or pin codes. So you can try the fingerprint scanner, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes, for example. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.